As a lot of the people who follow me already know, I am very fond of Greyd.Suite. I've been using Greyd.Suite for 2.5 years now, and here is just one of the reasons why I'm so happy to use this for my projects. I do not have to install third-party plugins that potentially cause conflicts upon updates or incompatibility and then start to point fingers at each other. Greyd.Suite replaces a commercial page builder because they're based on core. They've extended full site editing in such a way and extent that all the things people are saying they're missing right now are there. Responsive controls, spacings, the whole shebang. Second of all, you do not need a third-party form generator anymore. The one that Greyd offers within the suite can compete with the best of the best. You have a search possibility to an extent that you would normally have to install one, maybe even two plugins for. They have live search and filter, relevance-based search, and global search across multi-sites even, if you would want that. Besides that, they offer advanced query and filter, custom post types, custom fields, and custom taxonomies, even global ones. And then there is gated content. You could create a DXP because they also offer pop-ups and conditional block. So both of these things, you can set display conditions in a way that you create a super personal experience for anyone visiting your site or your landing pages. Then website migration, website backups, staging, post import and export, a user role manager to an extent I've never seen before, and something as simple as or seemingly simple as setting SMTP to send out the mails from your website. I know I've listed more than 10 now, but that's because I'm really, really happy with this. And if you want to know more, send me a DM. I mean, I'll be happy to show you around in the back end, or you could go watch their online demo or even download the free version. You can try that as long as you like. And the trial version is super, super extensive. So let me know in the comments if you want to know more or send me a DM.